Welcome to our channel. If you want to open a Wells Fargo account online for checking, savings, or both, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete registration. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to wellsfargo.com, the official Wells Fargo website. Step 2. Click on Open an Account from the home page or main navigation menu. Step 3. Browse through Wells Fargo's checking and savings account options to find the one that fits your needs. Step 4. Click Apply Now or Open Now on your selected account type to begin the application. Step 5. Enter your personal information including your full legal name, date of birth, social security number, and residential address. Step 6. Provide your contact details, including phone number and email address, for account communications. Step 7. Select your initial deposit method and amount for funding your new account. Step 8. Review Wells Fargo's account agreement, terms and conditions, and privacy policy before proceeding. Step 9. Submit your application for processing. Once approved, you'll receive your account number and can set up online banking access. Order your debit card through the app or website and start managing your finances immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.